So you're probably scrolling through Instagram, thinking of buying a new iPhone case, and may have stumbled across the Instagram ad for CaseDODO. Here I have their super slim or super thin case, and I'm going to talk about it and review it for you guys today. Well, what is a super thin case, and why did I order one for my phone? This case doesn't offer too much protection and also claims to be the thinnest in the world, which is super cool. So why did I buy one? Well, when I first shifted from my iPhone 6s to the iPhone XR, the XR was noticeably bigger and a little thicker and heavier, and when I put a case on it, the feeling of it in the heft was just a tad too much. As you saw, the unboxing experience was simple, and the packaging shows you how to fit your phone into the case. Naturally, since the case is so thin, there are a few things that you'll have to look after. For example, putting it in the right way and taking it out the right way, and also not letting the phone get too hot. They say that the case may warp and lose shape. Other than that, let's take a look at the case. The case comes in this small plastic wrap, which we'll just get rid of right here. And yeah, the case is actually super thin and super lightweight. Here's my old case. I bought the XR because I love the colors, and so I bought a clear case, which as you can see looks disgusting now. So let's get rid of that, and let's snap on this new case. I have to say, the case looks and feels wonderful. It feels like there's literally nothing on the phone. I don't know how to describe this, but it just fits perfectly. It's not too grippy, but it's got a nice and snug fit on the phone, so the case isn't coming off anytime soon. The case also happens to blend in with the body of the phone, which is really nice. Oh, and the button cutouts and the port holes are just perfect. None of the speaker holes are covered up, and the buttons stick out just perfectly. And for those of you wondering about protection, well, I've never dropped my phone, so there's that. If you're interested in what you saw, well, you can head over to the CaseDODO website, which I'll have linked in the description. Everything that you see on screen are things that you can purchase from your site, which honestly, there's a lot of stuff that you can select from. I'll probably be buying more from them soon. I ordered the super thin case, which you can get in a variety of different colors and transparencies for whichever iPhone or Android you have. If you want to know a little more in depth than what I've talked about, you can head over to their website. Like I said, it's linked down in the description, and yeah, I'd say it's fully worth it. If you're like me and you don't want a skin for your phone, but you still want some basic amount of protection with no extra heft or weight to it, well, this one's for you. Just be sure you're not the kind of person that drops your phone a lot. Well, that's the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If this helped you, leave a like and subscribe. Hit that bell icon so you never miss a new upload, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya!